What's going on YouTube? Welcome back to LTH. My name is Abe, and in this video, we are going to teach you on how to update your Proxmox instance. I believe this is episode 7, and so if you've been watching along trying to become a master in Proxmox, welcome back to another video, and don't forget to subscribe if you're interested. So go ahead and log into your Proxmox node, select it, and then from the settings tree, we need to go down and find the area that says updates. And so when we click update, we're going to give this just a second to load, and then you're going to refresh. Always make sure you refresh real quick to ensure you get the latest updates. And then there's going to be this task viewer, and we're going to get this task okay response. So we know it's went out and it pulled the latest packages. And then in here you can see the current version and then the new version that's trying to download, as well as a description of what it is doing. And so we're just going to go ahead and click upgrade right here at the top and click enter for yes. And then it's going to go through and it is going to update all of our system for us. And there you have it. Just like that, once it's updated, you're going to see your system is up to date. And then you may see some type of warning or informational notice that's saying, please consider rebooting this node because we've done a kernel update. And so we're going to click close. That's fine. And then to reboot your system, if it does recommend it, you're going to go to the top right and there's this reboot button and you're going to click reboot on your instance, click yes, and then you're good to go. And so that is how you update your Proxmox node if you need to do so. Thank you for watching episode 7 of how to update your Proxmox node. Stay tuned for the next video where we will discuss how to install your first virtual machine ISO file, as well as how to set up your first virtual machine.